Hello everyone, today in this video I will draw Lord Ganesh, and in this video I will also tell you an amazing story related to the elephant head of Lord Ganesh. So without wasting any time, let's start the story. And yes, I am requesting you to please like and subscribe the video and do tell in the comments how you liked it. Once upon a time, there was a powerful goddess named Parvati. She was the wife of Lord Shiva, one of the most revered gods in Hindu mythology. Parvati wanted a son, so she decided to create a child from the dirt of her own body while she was taking a bath. Parvati molded the dirt into the shape of a little boy and breathed life into him. She named him Ganesha and loved him dearly. Ganesha was a unique and special child, with a round and chubby body. One day, while Parvati was taking a nap, Lord Shiva returned home and was surprised to find a young boy guarding the entrance. Ganesha, being a dutiful son, didn't recognize Lord Shiva and refused to let him enter. This angered Lord Shiva, and in a fit of rage, he drew his sword and cut off Ganesha's head. When Parvati woke up and saw what had happened, she was devastated. She pleaded with Lord Shiva to bring Ganesha back to life. From that day on, Ganesha became known as the elephant-headed god. He was adored and worshipped by all, and people sought his blessings before starting any new venture or seeking to remove obstacles from their path. The story of Lord Ganesha's elephant head teaches us the importance of love, forgiveness, and the ability to overcome obstacles. It reminds us that even in the face of adversity, there is always a solution and a way to move forward. Lord Shiva realized his mistake and understood the depth of Parvati's love for their son. He promised to find a solution and instructed his followers to bring him the head of the first living being they encountered. The followers quickly returned with the head of an elephant. Lord Shiva placed the elephant head on Ganesha's body, bringing him back to life. Parvati was overjoyed to see her son alive again, albeit with an elephant head. I hope you enjoyed the story about Lord Ganesha's elephant head. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe to my channel for such lovely artwork and story. This really motivates me a lot to create more such amazing art. And you can comment me what should I draw in the next video and which story should I tell. And please watch the video till the end and don't forget to like it.